The Bridgeport Eco-Industrial Park taps into the potential of Black Rock by attracting new industries, businesses, and tourism to Connecticut's largest community of industrial symbiosis. In nature, nothing goes to waste. The outputs of one organism becomes the inputs of another in a closed cycle. Similarly, in the eco-park, the byproducts and outputs of one industry become the inputs of another, creating an orchestrated closed cycle of waste products. Taking advantage of the proximity of existing industries, the symbiotic exchange are organized around two loops, anchored around Bridgeport Wheelabrator and the wastewater treatment plant. The two anchors connect a large potential of industrial performers, enhancing their efficiency and value at each step of expansion. While this is an ideal picture, Bridgeport faces a major flood threat. So let's rewind that a little. As sea level rise, existing industries will start to self-burn, costing roughly $62 million. Instead, a collective berm would not only cost significantly less, but would also protect the whole zone and still have surplus that can be used to improve the eco-park. This collective berm not only functions as a protective barrier, a main path for the park, but also as an infrastructural spine, aiding in the exchange of collective resources. Following the construction of the berm, there are 4 phases to the project. First is the development of activities along the waterfront area, creating an attractive edge. Second is the development of the core around a wetland park, which serves as a water sponge for the area. Third is the expansion of the pedestrian network and a private market reaction. And lastly, it is the integration to other parts of the city. The Eco-Industrial Park celebrates the connections between industries. It is a catalyst for development, an educational tool, a measure for flood protection, and a cultural icon that will put Bridgeport back on the map.